कोड नंबर DR1815। यहाँ पर हमें रिकॉल करना होगा अर्थमेटिक मीन। अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशंस आई कैन राइट A अर्थमेटिक मीन इज A plus B by 2, G geometric mean root AB, and H harmonic mean 2AB upon A plus B. Also we must have a relation among this. I know that AH is equal to G square. These are the formulae I will use here. यहाँ पर हमें find out करना होगा the two numbers A and B. यहाँ पर given the question is some arithmetic mean of two numbers is 6. I can write here A plus B by 2 is equal to 6. I get A plus B is equal to 12. I find another equation which gives you the product. In order to find, I will make use of this equation. G square plus 3H is equal to 48. Now I can say that if it is G square, I can write as AH plus 3H is equal to 48. Now I can write here it is A plus B by 2. This is 2AB divided by A plus B plus 3 into 2AB upon A plus B, that is equal to 48. I can cancel A plus B and 2. I will get here it is AB plus 6AB upon A plus B. At the place of A plus B, I write here it is 12 equal to 48. 6 1/6 I will get here it is AB plus AB by 2 is equal to 48. I can say here 3AB divided by 2 is equal to 48. Now I simplify here it is AB is equal to 32. Now I have to solve these two equations. So if I write this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Sum of two numbers is 12, product of numbers is 32. I can say that from the product of numbers B is equal to 32 by A. I substitute in 1. I can say here it is A plus 32 by A is equal to 12. It is quadratic equation. A square minus 2LA plus 32 equal to 0. Clearly the roots of this are 8 and here it is 4. If I say A is equal to 8, I use the equation 12. I will get B is equal to 4. If I say A is equal to 4, use equation 1. B is equal to 8. Therefore the answer is A is equal to 4 and one number is 4 and other number is 8. The numbers are 4 and 8. That is the answer.